What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install the Samsung Music app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Samsung Music. Now from here, install this Samsung Music app. So to install, just simply tap on install and it will download and install the app in your phone. You can also download this app from Galaxy Store. So for that, open Galaxy Store, go to the search bar and search for Samsung Music. Now install this Samsung Music app. Just simply tap on install and then this app will be installed in your phone. So that's how you can install Samsung Music app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.